6 months after the trial, Amber Heard appeals the Johnny Depp defamation ruling. Less than a month after Pirates of the Caribbean actor Johnny Depp filed his own appeal, Hollywood actor Amber Heard appealed the $10 million defamation verdict in the Virginia court. The majority of Amber Heard's legal team has reportedly been replaced, and the new group is fighting for the First Amendment and calling out trial court judge Penny Ascarrett 6 months after a jury found Heard guilty of defaming her ex-husband. Heard said that the verdict undoubtedly will have a chilling effect on other women who seek to talk about abuse involving strong men and documents obtained by the American entertainment news source E! News. In addition, the jury's verdict of $10 million in compensatory damages and $5 million in punitive damages for Depp obviously is disproportionate considering the restricted time frame for which Depp might recover, according to the statement. Heard's appeal also made mention of Depp's 2020 libel action against The Sun. He had filed a lawsuit against the British tabloid newspaper after it had called him a wife-beater in a story. The Aquaman actor claims that a high court judge's decision against Depp should have prevented their defamation case from ever reaching court. Another court had already determined that Depp had abused Heard repeatedly. Depp filed this case after that. In a different defamation case brought by Depp, the United Kingdom High Court of Justice determined that Heard's abuse claims were accurate, according to the document. According to E! News, in April and May of 2022, the U.S. complaint was heard in a courthouse in Fairfax, Virginia. In a 2018 op-ed for The Washington Post, Heard was accused of defaming Depp by referring to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp stated that even though the op-ed did not expressly mention him, it damaged his reputation and destroyed his career. Before the op-ed was released, Heard and Depp divorced. After 2 years of marriage, Heard claimed that Depp had abused her emotionally, physically, and sexually while they were dating. For a number of reasons, including the claim that one of the jurors came up to the trial despite never receiving a summons. Heard's attorneys had earlier requested Judge Penny Ascarrett to overturn the decision from the U.S. trial. According to Variety, the judge had rejected that request.